G here from OG Creations. Whether you're a believer in fact-based or conspiracy-based news, science or story time, you can't turn anywhere right now without hearing about UAPs or UFOs. So before a mothership attempts a landing to share their wisdom of time and space, I thought I would create a series of videos dedicated to vibrant, stunning photographs of some of the galaxies. Let me introduce you to the Carina Nebula, Oxford. I start by drawing a diagonal line from the armpit to shoulder on this Old Navy 100% cotton regular fit men's Oxford button down. I create small pleats while gathering the material along the line. This is what we call fan folding. The pleats are secured using a rubber band.
They're nondescript in smaller galaxies. We wouldn't see them. The supermassive black hole is much brighter, and that's driving a jet of relativistic.
Using the geo technique on the rest of the shirt, I gather the material in small sections and secure it, move down an inch or so and secure again. I repeat this over and over. I then soak the Oxford in a soda ash bath for about 25 minutes and set it aside until the next day, about 12 hours.
300 light years from the center of the galaxy, they see these wisps of X-ray light, and they think that what causes that is that
During my planning phase, I created a workboard based off this amazing photo of the Carina Nebula. I thought the light blue of the Oxford would be a perfect base for this celestial combo. Here, I matched the dyes I used to this photo. I chose Blue Abyss, Azure Blue, Kingfisher Blue, Chartreuse, and a bit of Plum. I wanted the base of the shirt to have most of the color, so above the diagonal line, I chose to only use Blue Abyss and a little highlight of Plum. Below the diagonal, I used Kingfisher Blue, Chartreuse, and Azure Blue. I apply a layer of soda ash. Since I'm using lighter shades on most of the Oxford, I use a clean dye rack when flipping over the Oxford, so I reduce the chance of any of the darker dye particles affecting the area. I repeat the same application process.
Piercing the entire galaxy.
Create a barrier around the Oxford using aluminum foil. I add a thick layer of ice on top with an additional layer of soda ash before setting aside for 48 hours in a warmish space, about 65-70 degrees.
We have one that is kind of a Rosetta Stone, if you will. It's an exemplar of most of the supermassive black holes in the universe. In smaller galaxies, we wouldn't see them. The supermassive black hole is much, much brighter, and that's driving a jet of relativistic particles from its north and south poles. It's literally piercing the entire galaxy.
The Oxford is rinsed in cold water, then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. This item was a custom order, but you can find similar items for purchase on my Etsy store. You can click the link above or visit ogcreationstore.etsy.com. So this was a bit of an experiment, but I will definitely be repeating it. The colors are amazing. Just another example why I love to oversaturate my garments with dye when ice dyeing pieces.
It's about, it's about 18. Well, what I'll say very briefly on this is that about 300 light years from the center of the galaxy, they see these wisps.
Thanks for watching. I have new releases every Friday, so please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what you would like to see created next.